Hello everyone, welcome to Nanda's cookbook. Today I have come up with traditional recipe, chutney recipe with banana petals or bract. So let's start. Take banana blossom, separate the petals or bract and also separate banana florets from the banana blossom. Discard the first two layers of the banana blossom to avoid ripening. So this is banana heart. You can make stir fry with banana heart and banana florets. You can also make vada recipe with banana florets and also chips. Wash them nicely and chop it roughly. Now let's boil the banana bract or petals. Heat a pan, add 1 cup of water. To that add roughly chopped banana petals or bract. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Close the lid and boil it for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now let's check. Petals softens. Turn off the flame. Discard the water. Drain off and discard the water and transfer it into a mixer jar. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. To that add 1 tablespoon of chana dal or split chickpeas, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted Bengal gram, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad dal or dehusked black gram, 3 red chilli, dry red chilli, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Saute it and fry it till it turns golden brown. Now add small ball sized tamarind and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Stir it again and turn off the flame and transfer it into a mixer jar. Let it cool. Add half teaspoon of salt and blend it finely by adding water accordingly. So the chutney is ready. Now let's prepare tempering. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add some mustard seeds. Let it splatter. Once it starts splattering, add dry red chilli. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute it and add the blended chutney into it. The tasty banana peel chutney is ready. Goes well with hot steamed rice, dosa and idli. Hope you all liked my video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel.